Hello friends, welcome to the first YouTube channel. My name is Ismail Saudagar, and in this video we'll see about web technologies, and this is the fourth part of web technologies shorts which we are seeing from last 2-3 weeks. So let's go to our topic. So what it is saying that it has the full control over HTML and JavaScript. In web form, we have seen that it is having server-side controls, and if the developer don't want to work on JavaScript and HTML very much, they can use the web forms. But in case of MVC, we are having our model view and controller difference. So here view is the HTML page which is shown in the browser. So we can write our customized HTML there. We can use JavaScript for performing client side validation. We use CSS there for designing the page. So it is totally on our hand and we have full control on it. Provides strong support for routing. So here in case of ASP.NET MVC, routing concept is also different. In case of web forms, directly we can type the page name. There is .aspx pages are there, and we can go to the particular page. But here the concept of routing is different. Routing means navigating from one page to another page. Data binding and testability. So it provides testability as well. Well suited for complex project requiring fine-grained control. Advantages of ASP.NET MVC. So advantages of ASP.NET MVC include a clear separation of concern which enhances stability and maintainability. Here separation of concern means the HTML files are different. Model files means the .cs file or C# file that contains the business logic are different from your UI code. And also the controller means the controller classes are different, that is responsible for request and response. So the request comes to the controller first, then it asks for the view, and it calls for the model, it generates the model, gets the data from the model, and that data is added to the view and view is returned back. So all three things are different from each other. So it is called separation of concern, which enhances testability and maintainability. So due to the separation of concern means separation of three files, front end logic, back end logic. So it is good for testability and maintainability. It supports RESTful URL through routing, improving SEO and user experience. The framework allows full control over HTML and client-side scripting, enable rich responsive interfaces. Additionally, it facilitates unit testing and support agile development practices.